With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, which of the following gas molecules have minimum value of enthalpy of chemisorption on an iron surface, right? So basically, chemisorption means chemical bonds will be formed, right? Chemisorption means strong chemical bonds will be formed between adsorbate and adsorbent. Adsorbate are the molecules that adsorb, and adsorbent is the surface where the adsorption is taking place, right? So minimum value of enthalpy of chemisorption means that enthalpy of chemisorption actually corresponds to the energy that is released when the bonds are formed, right? When the chemical bonds are formed or when chemical adsorption takes place. So you have to identify the one where the bonds formed are weaker in comparison to others. So less amount of energy will be required. Less amount of energy will be there. Less enthalpy will be there. So if we talk about NH3 as well as CO, both of these are polar, right? Both of these are of polar nature, and they are going to form strong bonds with the surface of the adsorbent, right? So when they will be adsorbed on the surface, they will be forming very strong bonds because they are of the polar nature. Talking about C2H4, now C2H4 forms pi bonds with the surface, right? It forms pi bonds with the adsorbent. Whereas if we talk about H2, when H2 is adsorbed, it adsorbs in the form of hydride, right? It adsorbs in the form of hydride, and as it adsorbs in the form of hydride, it is going to have the minimum enthalpy, right? Minimum enthalpy of chemisorption, right? So the bond that will be formed here between hydrogen and the surface in the form of, like, hydrogen will bind in the form of hydride, right? So the bonds are weaker in comparison to the other three. Therefore, the enthalpy of chemisorption will be minimum. So the correct answer for this question is option C, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.